Outstanding low mileage, 24 plate, 3 litre V6 Ford Ranger Wildtrak, VAT qualifying, with high specification, finished in carbonised grey metallic with full ebony Wildtrak embossed leather upholstery, covered only 4,609 miles, fitted with £5,280 worth of optional extras to include Technology Pack 71, factory-fitted electric roll cover with bed liner, 20-inch alloy wheels, blind spot monitoring, factory-fitted detachable tow bar, supplied with remaining balance of manufacturer warranty until the 16th of August 2027. This Ranger comes with satellite navigation, auto Android or Apple CarPlay, adaptive cruise control, heated front seats and heated steering wheel for those colder days, and climate-controlled air conditioning for those warmer days, 360-degree camera, front and rear parking sensors, and advanced automated self-park system. Advanced four-wheel drive system, with terrain management to tackle the toughest of terrains. Why not inquire today? Just click the link or call to make an appointment.